Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So in today's video, let us solve few of the pair of linear equations by graphical method. Solving pair of linear equations by graphical method is the last part of the topic pair of linear equations in two variables what we are studying. To the point of examination, this is very important part because in your final exam you are going to have one definite question carrying 4 marks. So let us solve few of the examples. The first example is solve the following pair of linear equations by graphical method. First equation is x plus y is equal to 6 and the second equation is x minus y is equal to 2. Now solution of pair of linear equations by graphical method consisting of two parts. The first part is called calculative part, where we are going to form the tables for the values of x and y for given both the equations. Okay. Now the second part is called skill based part, or you may call it as a practical part, where we are going to draw the graphs for these two equations. Okay. Now let us see the calculative part first. X plus y is equal to 6. This is the first equation. Now convert this equation or bring this equation to the standard form of linear equation, and the standard form of linear equation is y is equal to mx plus c. Now x plus y is equal to 6, therefore y is equal to 6, shift plus x that side, you will be getting minus x. Y is equal to 6 minus x is the standard form of this equation with respect to the standard form of the linear equation, that is y is equal to mx plus c. Now draw a table for the values of x and y. Consider the value of x as 2. If you consider the value of x as 2, replace this x by 2, you will be getting 6 minus 2, and 6 minus 2 is nothing but 4. So if you take the value of x as 2, you will be getting the value of y as 4 according to this first equation. Now if you take the value of x is 3, replace x by 3, 6 minus 3 will be 3. If you take the x as 3, you will be getting the value of y also as 3. So this is the table for the values of x and y for the first equation, x plus y is equal to 6. Similarly, for second equation also we have to form the table for the values of x and y. So x minus y is equal to 2 is the second equation. Minus y is equal to 2, shift plus x that side, you will be getting minus x. Minus y is equal to 2 minus x, therefore y is equal to minus 2 plus x, and minus 2 plus x is nothing but x minus 2. So this is the second equation's standard form. Now x, consider the value as 3, replace x by 3, 3 minus 2 will be 1. Take x as 4, replace x by 4, 4 minus 2 will be 2. So 2, 4, the first ordered pair, 3, 3, the second ordered pair for the equation x plus y is equal to 6. Similarly, 3, 1 and 4, 2 are the two ordered pairs for the equation, that is second equation, x minus y is equal to 2. Now these all four ordered pairs are to be plotted on graph sheet. So draw one vertical line and one horizontal line. They perpendicular on each other, they will be meeting at a point, and that point is called origin. The scale will be on x-axis 10 division is equal to 1 unit, and as well as on y-axis 10 divisions is equal to 1 unit. So in this way, mark these points on dark lines, okay, and name them as +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, so on, towards left side -1, -2, -3, towards up +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, so on, and towards down -1, -2, -3, -4, so on. So you know this horizontal line is called x-axis and this vertical line is called y-axis. Okay, now let us plot the first two ordered pairs, that is 2, 4 and 3, 3. So x is 2 and y is 4 means x2. From this point 2 we have to move vertically upwards till we get 4 towards right side on y-axis. So this is the point which shows 2, 4. So abscissa and ordinate of this point are 2 and 4. So in the same way 3 and 3. So the value against x is 3, that is to be taken on x-axis, and the value against y is 3, this value is to be taken on y-axis. So 3 and 3 means x3 is here, go vertically upward till you get 3 towards right side. So this is the point showing abscissa and ordinate as 3 and 3. So draw a line passing through these 2 points. So this line is nothing but the graph of the first equation, x plus y is equal to 6. So in the same way you have to draw one more line for taking the ordered pairs 3, 1 and 4, 2. So 3x, y1. So x3 is here, y1 means we have to move upwards. Here somewhere we will be going to get the point 3, 1. Alright. Now the second pair is 4, 2. 4 is here and you have to move upward to get 2 towards right. So this is the point showing 4, 2. Draw a line passing through these 2 points. Okay, so this is the graph for the equation x minus y is equal to 2. Now you see these 2 lines are intersecting at a common point, at a single point. So from that point you have to draw 2 perpendiculars respectively, one on x-axis and the other on y-axis. So draw 2 perpendiculars. So this is one perpendicular which is drawn on x-axis and it is falling on 4, means the value of x in this example is 4, and the second perpendicular what we are drawing on y-axis is falling on +2. So this will be the value of y, that is y is equal to 4. So x is equal, y is equal to 2, sorry. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2 is called the solution set for the equations x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 2. So this is how graphically we solve the given pair of linear equations in 2 variables. So dear students, let us solve the second example. Example is solve the following pair of linear equations in 2 variables by graphical method. The first equation is x plus y is equal to 5 and the second equation is x minus y is equal to 1. Now x plus y is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 minus x, standard form. Now if you take the value of x as 2, 5 minus 2 will be 3, the value of y will be 3 here. If you go for x value as 3, 5 minus 3 is nothing but 2 and 2 is the value of y if you consider the value of x as 3. Now this is the table for the values of x and y for the first equation. Similarly for second equation also let us have the table. X minus y is equal to 1, bring it to the standard form, minus y is equal to 1, shift plus x that side minus x, minus y is equal to plus 1 minus x, therefore y is equal to minus 1 plus x, and minus 1 plus x is nothing but x minus 1. If you consider the value of x as 2, 2 minus 1 will be 1. The value of y will be 1 here. Now if you take x as 3, 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2, and 2 is the value of y if you consider the value of x as 3. So these are the 4 ordered pairs. Let us plot them onto the graph sheet. The first order pair is 2 and 3. The value of x is to be taken on x axis and the value of y is to be taken on y axis. 2 and 3 means 2 is here, x axis 2 is here, y axis 3 means you have to move vertically upwards. So this is the point showing abscissa and ordinate as 2 and 3. Now second pair is 3, 2, 3 is here, okay. 2 means again you have to go up, and from 2 you have to move towards right side to get that point. These are the 2 points. Draw a line passing through, okay. So this is the linear graph for the equation x plus y is equal to 5. In the same way, draw linear graph for these 2 ordered pairs 2, 1 and 3, 2 respectively. 2, 1, x axis 2 here, y axis 1 means go up to get that point, okay. 2, 1. Next 3, 2, 3 is here, 2 again you have to move vertically upwards to get that point. This is already we have that point on the first linear graph of the equation x plus y is equal to 5. Now these are the 2 points. Draw a line passing through, okay. Now this is the linear graph for the second equation x minus y is equal to 1. Now these 2 lines are intersecting at one point as we seen in the previous example. So draw 2 perpendiculars, one on x axis. So this perpendicular falls on 3, therefore the x value is 3 here. Now draw one more perpendicular from the same point on y axis, and you see this perpendicular falling on plus 2, therefore the value of y here in this particular example is 2. So in this way x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 is the solution set for the equations x plus y is equal to 5 and that of x minus y is equal to 1. So this is the second example. In next few of the videos, let us solve few more complicated examples. Thank you.